Good morning all the students. Today we will start our third chapter of Honeydew Glimpses of the Past. It means past की झलकियाँ. Here are some pictorial glimpses of the history of our country from 1757 to 1857. These pictures and speech bubbles will help us to understand the conditions that lead to the event known as the First War of Independence in 1857. So this is very interesting chapter. Okay, so let's start now. I have divided this chapter in some points. Okay, by the help of these points you will understand the chapter easily. Okay, so first point is British East India Company. Okay, during 18th century, British East India Company was extending its power in worldwide. That time, Indian princes were fighting each other. East India Company subdued Indian princes one by one. Okay. Next point is British rule 1765 to 1836. During the period of 1765 to 1836, India had to witness many incidents. Untouchability, child marriage and other social evils in Indian society. The people were superstitious also. Okay. Now the third point is Ram Mohan Rai. Raja Ram Mohan Rai was a social reformer. Ram Mohan Rai, a learned person from Bengal, understand what was wrong with his country. He was attracted by science and modern knowledge. He went to England and fight for justice of India. Okay. Next point. Next point is condition of farmers. Okay, the British imposed heavy taxes on farmers so that farmers had to leave their fields. The East India Company's law began to cripple Indians' industry. Okay. Next point is oppression. British continued to oppress Indian in 1818. They had passed Regulation 3rd. Under it, an Indian could be jailed without trial in a court. During 1835 to 56, Thomas Macaulay suggested some change in Indian education. They taught Indians their language by 1856. British had conquered the whole India. Okay, so now the next point is dissatisfaction. Okay, some Indian soldiers in East India Company were ill pleased with the attitude of East India Company. A soldier named Mangal Pandey attacked the keeper of his regiment and executed in 1857. Okay, last point is revolt. A violent revolt was outbroken. The rebellion spread wider. Many landers lost their lands because of British policies. Many rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow were bitter. Popular leaders like Maulvi Abdullah of Faizabad, Tatya Tope aroused the people of India to fight against British rulers. Okay, so I think you will have understood the chapter. Okay, there is a homework for you. You have to find out the difficult words from this chapter. Okay, and write in your fair notebook. Thanks.